Here I've got VIVO Y20s, and let me show you how to activate automatic system updates on the following device. So first of all, just reach the settings, then find and select system, and here you should be able to find developer mode. If there is no developer options icon here, go back, open about phone, and 7 times click on build number. Then draw your unlock pattern if you have one, and now let's re-enter system. And as you can see, developer options appeared right here. Smoothly open it, and now locate automatic system updates, and smoothly by tapping on the switcher you can activate them. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.